Hello everyone, so today the video is gonna be about how to exfoliate your skin the correct way. Why is exfoliation important? So exfoliating your skin regularly can improve your skin texture, can reduce the hyperpigmentation and even out your skin tone, can even prevent acne and can increase the collagen production. What do you use to exfoliate your skin? So basically there are two ways in which you can exfoliate your skin. One is physical exfoliation and two is chemical exfoliation. So physical exfoliators like scrubs can actually harm your skin. It can cause micro tears on your skin layers and can allow bacteria to enter into your skin layers and damage your skin. Now, if you have already invested so much in scrubs, use them on your body, not on your face. Now, chemical exfoliation is the best way to exfoliate your skin. So for that you can use AHAs, BHAs and PHAs. AHA, PAHA and PAHA. There are so many AHAs and BHAs available in the market and it is quite difficult for a beginner to understand which one to choose. So here I'm just gonna make it simple for you. I have categorized on the basis of skin types. The first category is normal to combination skin type and the AHA they can use is glycolic acid. Glycolic acid has small molecular structure, so it can work by going deep into your skin layers. Start by using products containing 5% glycolic acid and gradually increase it to 7%. At first, you may sense that tingling sensation on your skin, but after 2 to 3 weeks of use, it will fade away. Some of my product recommendations are the Ordinary's Glycolic Acid Toner, the Ordinary's Peeling Solution, the Paula's Choice AHA, Pixi Beauty's Glow Tonic. Next category is dry skin type. Lactic acid is the best AHA for dry skin people. It can moisturize your skin along with exfoliation. Unlike glycolic acid, it has got larger molecular structure, so it does not irritate your skin. So it can be suitable for sensitive skin too. Like if you have dry and sensitive skin, you can go for lactic acid. Always start by using a lower concentration of AHA and then gradually increase it to higher percentage. For lactic acid, go for 5% lactic acid and then gradually increase up to 10%. The product recommendation for lactic acid is the Ordinary's 5% lactic acid and the Ordinary's 10% lactic acid. So coming to third category, and it is sensitive skin type. So another mild exfoliant for sensitive skin is mandelic acid. Some of my favorite products are the Wish Trend 5% mandelic acid and the Ordinary mandelic acid. Next is oily and acne prone skin type. So I have talked a lot about oily and acne prone skin in my earlier videos, and the best exfoliator for this skin type is BHA or salicylic acid. It doesn't mean you cannot use AHA for oily skin, because I use it personally. I use glycolic acid toner from the Ordinary and it works so magically for me. It completely depends on you what type of AHA you want to invest in, what type of properties you want from that AHA. Like if you have oily skin and you want a moisturizing effect too, you can use lactic acid. And if you want faster results, you can use glycolic acid, as it can go deep into your skin. Or if you are scared to use any acids on your skin, you can go for milder versions of AHAs like I listed mandelic acid. And the next category I'm going to talk about is PHA. PHA is a milder version too. It is like a cousin or a best friend of AHA, so you can go for PHA too. Now coming to the most important question, that is, how often do you exfoliate? Do not exfoliate your skin daily. Exfoliate your skin once a week and just keep it simple. If you're using a glycolic toner, this is the routine you have to follow. First you cleanse your face, then you use the glycolic toner and then top it up with a facial oil or a moisturizer. That's it. You should not mix it with any other actives. And another point you have to keep it in your mind is that AHAs can really make your skin sensitized to sun. Use AHAs only at night and follow with SPF the next morning. And when it comes to AHA, little goes a long way. Do not overdo it. Take a little amount of the product and apply it on your whole face. I just hope this video was useful enough, and do let me know in the comment section below what AHA are you planning to buy, or what AHA have you been using, or how have you been exfoliating your skin. So I shall see you when I see you. Bye.